Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today's vehicle for sale is a 2018 BMW X5 xDrive35i. This vehicle for sale comes in a black exterior, and we have a brown and black interior. Really sharp leather seats, power memory seats, sunroof, steering wheel. Let's go ahead and hop inside here. We do have a push button ignition. Mileage on this vehicle currently at 63,949. We've got our BMW shifter here, as well as command module for making adjustments on your display, as well as accessing some different functions there. Here we have our touchscreen display currently showing navigation, radio, and backup camera. And below the display is climate controls. Do have heated seats, both driver and passenger here. CD player, cup holder, cigarette lighter. And I love this dark wood grain trim also in this vehicle, as well as this accent stitching. Some really nice sharp details. All right, well, let's go ahead and take a look at our rear seats here next. And rear climate control, including heated seats back here as well. Quick peek up at the front again. Another look at that sunroof. It does stretch from front pretty much to the rear here. And coming around the back, we've got our BMW X5 badging, power opening and closing trunk. Push button to close. Now, if you're interested in additional information about this 2018 BMW xDrive, just look on our website, feldmannimports.com.